Monday.com versus ClickUp for project management. Which one is better? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you a quick comparison between these two known platforms when it comes to project management, ClickUp versus Monday.com. So without further ado, let's get started with our comparison. So first, let's compare their pricing. So let's first check the Monday.com pricing. And over here, as you can see that the Monday.com also has a free plan. So same with ClickUp. So I will open ClickUp and go to their pricing as well. So here we will doing a side-by-side comparison. So here ClickUp also has their own free plan, which is a free forever plan. And same with Monday, they also have free forever plan. However, inside the Monday.com, for your free plan, you can also get up to 2 seats compared to the ClickUp. Here you can get unlimited seat. And here you can also get 100 MB storage, unlimited task, unlimited free plan member. It also includes 24/7 support, in-app video recording, time tracking, sprint management, Kanban boards, email and ClickUp, and more. Compared to Monday.com, they only have up to 2 seats, and also here you can only create up to 1,000 items and only 500 MB storage. So here you have 100 MB storage. And as you can see, when it comes to storage, Monday.com offer more storage compared to the ClickUp. And here the basic plan costs $8 per seat per month. And inside the ClickUp, they have the unlimited, which is $5 per member per month. And this will be the coverage here for this plan. And for Monday.com, these are the feature covered for their basic plan, which is the $8. So what I like about ClickUp is that with their unlimited plan for $5, you can get a lot of features here, and also you can make use of all the different views that they have. Like for example, the Gantt view, the table view, which I will be showing to you later on. But for Monday.com, as you can see, you can get the timeline and Gantt view when you get the standard, which is the $10 plan per seat per month, because with their basic plan for $8, they only include very limited views and also very limited features. So let's check the workspace. I will go ahead and log in to both of these platforms. So just give me a moment. So now I'm logged in to both of the software, Monday.com and the ClickUp. So first, let's take a look the Monday.com user interface. So this is the main dashboard of Monday.com. So here you can see the inbox messages, the recent activities, and also your workspaces here. So here you can also see your workspace management. So this is the project management tool here inside the Monday.com, and it's where you can manage all your projects. Something like this. As you can see, we have the marketing plan here, and here are the tasks that we have here. So let me just go ahead and assign this task to me since I don't have anyone here inside my account. So let's just go ahead and do that. And also you can add your own workspace here as well. So just click the arrow here and then add some workspace. So let me go ahead and name this one as test. And what I like about Monday.com is that they also have a lot of templates here that you can choose from. So this is very helpful, especially for beginners. So here you have different categories here of what kind of project management you want to create. So for example, for software development, for sales and CRM, for education, real estate, a nonprofit, and also you can integrate a different app as well, like the Slack, Zoom, Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and your calendar as well. And just click the use template for you to make use of the template that you choose. So here is the template, and you can customize the template. You can add your own task here. You can also change the type name here, the source name, the status, and also set up your own due date. And then here you also have your inbox. So Monday.com is not just a project management, but it's also a work operating software. So here you can manage your team. So you can send messages also inside the monday.com. And here you can also check your my work. It's where you can see all your work in one place. So here you can see the overdue work, today work, this week work, next week work. So here, as you can see, we have later work here. And what I like about monday.com is that they also have different app here that you can integrate. So monday.com is perfect again for small businesses and starting growing up, because you can integrate different app here that you used when your business starting to grow. So by the way, one thing that I want to show you, let's go back to the work management. So here you also have different view like the calendar view, the type chart, the Kanban, the workload, and also you can click this add icon for you to see more different views. So here you can also check the Gantt view. However, this other view here is not available to their cheapest plan. You need to get the second plan. I guess that's $10 per month. Unlike ClickUp with their $5 plan, the cheapest one, you can get different views and they offer more views than the monday.com. So this is the main dashboard of ClickUp, and here you can see the lineup. This is where you can add your most important task here at the top, and also you have the trending, and then you also have your work here. You can see your today task, the overdue task, and next task, and also the unscheduled task. And you can also check your notification here. You can click see more. So you have your goals here, and also you have your favorite, but you don't have any inbox inside the ClickUp because ClickUp, it's focusing on the project management. Unlike monday.com, they also have their work operation there where you can connect with your workmate through sending inbox messages and also integrate other app like Slacks, Microsoft Teams, and many, many more. So here you can see also your spaces. So this is where you can see or create your workspace. So same with the monday.com, they also have a template here that you can choose from. But I like monday.com because their templates are more organized than ClickUp. So here, for example, we have this task here. So here you can also have the list view, the board view. So you can see all your tasks here. You also have your calendar view, your whiteboard view. So this is also one thing that monday.com doesn't have. So you can have your whiteboard view here, or you can also create your own whiteboard. So this is like the advantage of ClickUp. And also when you click view, they have this different views here. So they have more different views than the monday.com. So again, ClickUp is good for small businesses. And if you didn't see that the small business that you're managing right now will be growing in the future, then this is the perfect app for you. But if you see that your small business is starting to grow, then monday.com is the one that I recommend. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. And thank you so much for watching.